recognize that you have to develop cadmium-free chemistries. So what is the kind of the research program or the status of developing giant quantum dots with a cadmium-free core?
Sorry, can you speak your question again? I didn't catch the.
So I'm wondering, what is the status of developing cadmium-free giant?
Okay, I see. Okay, as I know, there are no perfect solution for the high resolution for the cadmium-free the QD, because for example, the InP, the weakness has a very low blue light absorption, because the InP shell structure design is difficult without the cadmium. Actually, there's a paper talking about InP type the QD with high blue light absorption, but in their shell structure using cadmium in their shell. But for some perovskite QD, unfortunately, because it's ionic property, its thermal stability is very poor. Actually, we tried a lot of perovskite. It won't work for the PR process because PR process need to 150 degree and remain the stability. And as I know, there's some company use the AIGS as the candidate for the cadmium-free solution. But I doubt, because the still use gallium, indium, these kind of element, and their stability is still has problem, because this kind of zinc band structure, it has some drawback on the defect emission. So as I know, we are working on the cadmium-free too, but it's very hard to get a cadmium-free the QD with a very good property for the high resolution the